Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, opinion mining of social networking sites using the sentiment analysis, right? So I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I'm using is the Python 3.7. Django version is 2, and MySQL version is 5.6. The project title is opinion mining of social networking sites. So as you know, that there are a lot of social networking sites available, and Twitter is one of them, right? So I have used a Twitter tweet for reading the sentiments of the users, for performing the opinion mining on those data sets, and it works on the real data sets, right? Means it reads the tweets from the Twitter website, and after that it performs some of the operations on those tweets, and it reads that what the consumer is behaving, right, what their sentiment is, right, and these all operations we are performing using the opinion mining, right. So this is a machine learning based project, right, and we are using the test block for reading the sentiments from the Twitter tweets, right. So the technology stack I already explained you. I have used the Python 3.7 for all of the business logic and the machine learnings. For Django, for the web framework, I have used the Django. For data base, I am using the MySQL. For front-end development, this is a web application. So for UI development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, creating sliders, creating graphs. I have used the Chart.js. So a lot of libraries and technologies we have used for developing this project, opinion mining on of the social networking sites, right. And it is one of the trending topics in the current scenario. So if you want to learn the machine learning, if you want to work on the real data, if you want to perform, if you want to develop any sentiment analysis projects or the opinion mining projects, then this is the best project for you. And you can learn a lot from this project, right. So let's start with the functionality, go through that, what we have implemented in this project, what this project uh, contains, what are the feature of this project, right. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page. Also, this is a bootstrap theme. If you open the UI in the mobile or tab, then UI will not be distorted, right. So this is the home page of the project, and all of the data coming on this home page is totally static, right. Also, I have added wow effect, so in that all of the component will be loaded slowly, right, and it will give a good effect on the website. So if you click on the about, then it will show you the about of the project, and it's a static content. Uh, it's also not a dynamic content. This is a login, and this is only a single user based login. That is admin can log in, admin can perform certain operations. This is a contact us page, and it's a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database, but this is a real-time Google map, and it will work only and only if you have the internet connection on your laptop, right. So you can see this is the development purpose only, and this is a real-time Google map, right. So these all pages are the static. Now I am going to log in as an admin. So this is the login, and the user ID is admin, and the password is test. Once you log in inside the system, then you will get this dashboard, right. Here you can perform certain operations. The first one is the configuration management. Here you can enter your credentials, right. The consumer key, consumer secret, consumer access token, and consumer token secret, right. And these can be generated using your Twitter developer account, right. So from your Twitter development account, you can generate these keys, and after that, after putting these keys on this form, you will be able to get the tweets directly from the Twitter. So this is the configuration page, right. This is a sentiment analysis, and from here you can perform a new sentiment analysis on a specific term or keywords or the topic, right. So here you need social networking topic, on which topic you want to perform sentiment analysis, on which topic you want to perform the opinion mining, number of tweets, date, and descriptions, right. And next one is the analysis history. It will show you all of the histories which you have performed earlier, right. So you can see there are 26 uh, tweets we have performed. If you click on the sentiments, then it will show you the sentiments, right. So okay, so on the Mumbai, so these 10 over the 10. So this is the 10% persons are positive, weakly positive. So some of the percent, the 50% are weakly positive, and the 40% is neutral, right? Even the same graph is showing here in the form of line, and the same there are three types of graphs, four types of graphs I have added here. The first one is the you can see the bar chart, horizontal, bar chart vertical, and the pie chart and the donut chart, right? Okay, so this is the dashboard, and let me go on the other sentiment analysis. Oh, sorry. So you can go from here also, users report, right? Sorry. Again, the dashboard, and then analysis history, right? If you click on, suppose, if you click on the sentiments, then, oh, sorry, I think it contains wrong data. That's why it's uh, showing the wrong tweets, right? So, okay, now if this is the tweets, means it will show you all of the tweets on which the system perform the analysis. So this all tweets the system renders from the Twitter, and it is stored in the database, and you can see these are the tweet on which Twitter performed on our system performed the sentiment analysis, right? And this is the sentiments of each and every tweets, right? Now I am going to, let's start for some other analysis, right? So this is a social networking topic. I am corona vaccine, right? I am going to perform analysis on corona vaccine and number of tweets. I am going to perform analysis on 100 tweets, and today I am going to perform on 30th of May, and uh, opinion mining on corona vaccine, right? Means I need to check that what people are thinking about the corona vaccine. They are feeling positive, neutral, negative, weakly positive, weakly negative. Once you click on the submit, then the system will read 100 tweets from the Twitter. Twitter is a social networking site, and it reads 100 tweets from the Twitter, and after that system will run a lot of analysis in the background, and it will perform opinion mining on those data, and it will store all of the opinion mining straight in the database, right? So you can see this is the 27th tweet, 27th analysis, and it's corona vaccine on the 100 tweets and 300 on, and we performed on the 30th of May. Once you click on the sentiments, you can see, okay, so this is the data. You can see is very 4% people are feeling positive, and 2% people are weakly positive, 72% are neutral, and strongly negative it's a 1%, weakly negative is 12%, and negative is 6%, right? If you add all, then you can get, okay, there are 17% people who are feeling negative, and 72% people are feeling neutral, right? Same, you can see this is the same data is showing here in the donut chart as well as the pie chart, right? Now I am going back, and I am going to see that what the tweets the system fetched, and so this is the tweets, and you can see the number of tweets, right? So all of the tweets, you can see there are 10 pages here, and you can see these on these tweets the system performed the analysis, right? You this all of the data is rendered by the Twitter, right? So on these all tweets the system performed the analysis, right? Even you can export this whole tweet in the PDF format. Just click on the PDF, and you will be able to export this all tweets using their sentiments in PDF format, in Excel format, in CSV format. Even you can print it also, right? Okay, so on this way you can perform any of the sentiment analysis or any of the term. You can perform opinion mining in any of the term, and it's on the real time from the social networking website, right? So this is the add user. From here you can add admin user, right? So you can see you can add admin user here, right? And then this is the user reports. You can see these are the user reports, right? And then after that, this is the analysis report, all of the analysis which you have done. I already explained you. This is the my account section from where you will be able to update your account details. So you can see this is the account details, and this is the change password from where you will be able to update your account password, right? And the logout, once you click on the logout, then above administration menu will not be displayed. So you can see the above administration menu after logging out. The above administration menu is not displaying, but if you log inside the system again, then you will get the administrative options. So you can see who are getting the administrative options, right? So these all operations, these all functionalities we have developed inside this project. The title is opinion mining of social networking site, and as I told you earlier, this is a Python, Django, and MySQL web-based major project where we are performing real-time data analysis on the social networking sites, and we are performing opinion mining and sentiment analysis on those data. And after that, we are rendering the data. We are creating different types of charts using those data. We can analysis, we can export those data in the PDF format, CSV format, as well as the Excel format, right? So these are all functionalities we have developed inside this project. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.